Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about currency and how we can set up different currency in Business Central, how we can define the GL account, and also we will go and select a different currency in a purchase invoice and see the result of this. So please subscribe my channel and add your comment. I am more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. So let's go to Business Central and check how we can add a new currency and add the setup that is needed in order for you to use. So here, let's go to explore and see how we can set up currency in Business Central. Okay, so here we have 3 different currencies. In a Kronos database, we use dollar as a local currency. So in this case here, let's select this Canadian dollar. And then we can check what we need to set up in order to use a different currency to post the documents in Business Central. So basically here what you need to add is the code for this currency, the name of the currency, the ISO code and the ISO number, and the symbol that you use for this currency. Then we have here a setup, what is the account ledger that you will use for unrealized gains. So you can set up this. If you not work with unrealized and gains and loss, you can let this empty as is in the case here. And also you set up here what is the account ledger that you use for the realized gain and also for the realized loss. Okay, then you will always be able to see what is the last date modified and if you have an addition. Also here you need to select what is the invoice routing, so you can see here, and basically is that. And what you can do here is to change or update the exchange rate. So let's go here. Here is the change the payment tolerance. You can also do this, but let's go to exchange rate, navigate. How this works? You go here and you set up the date. Then basically the system will copy the same. I will not change the exchange rate. I will let the same. And but of course that is if it is different, you need to update it. You need to keep this up to date in Business Central. So now let's go to a document and select this currency and see how Business Central use this in order to post the document. Okay, so what we will do here, we will go to purchase order. Let's create a new. So I will select the fabricant. We will already add the invoice number. Okay. and here you can see the currency is empty, and what I will do is select the currency as Canadian dollar. Okay, they will request if I want to update this, I want. And what I will do here now is specify the quantity and the price. So I will say 1. Okay, and I will add here 2,000 Canadian dollars to make our life easy. So you can see here that the system show you the value, and this and show that the value is in Canadian dollar. Okay, and what we can do here, if you type F7, you can see the statistics, or you can click here in order and do the same. Okay, so here in the general, you can see the value that is 2,000 Canadian dollar, and you can see here that this value is in dollar and not in Canadian dollar. Okay, basically the same. What you can also do here in order to check this value is click at home and say post, and then you can preview the posting. Okay, so here you can check this value in the vendor ledger entry. Here you can see the currency that is using, and here you can see that the value is 2,120 Canadian dollars. Okay, this is how you can set up the currency in Business Central. And of course, here we can post this document and we can check, we can do this. So let's add. Okay. And then here you also can check this value, and you can see that show you the value is in Canadian dollar. And if you navigate this and go to the vendor ledger entry, okay, so you can check here the original amount, and also you can check this value in dollar, that is my local currency. What you just need to do here is add this. So let's close this to make our life easy. So, okay, also let's close the filter, and then you can go here, personalize, and see what is the field that you can add. Okay, so you can see here the original amount, that means in dollar, not in Canadian dollar, in US dollar, for example. And let's see. Okay. So let's just add this here. Okay, now it was add. Okay, original amount and original amount in the okay, so you can see the difference. Okay, so in this case I will just click done, and this is how you can post a document with different currencies and also check this value. And in the upcoming videos, we will check how you can update this value and recognize the realized gains or loss. Okay. Thank you, and subscribe my channel and add your comments, and see you next